All right, Joe. I'm here at the Buc-ees Car Wash. Looks like they got a bug remover station. You got to do that on your own. All right, we're going through the tube now, Joe. I just got the basic. I don't want to give them any more of my money than I have to. All right, coming up to the end of the car wash. Looks like they got a lot of wasted space in here, so maybe this is longer. Who knows? Joe, there's the end of the rails right over there. Alright, Joe, now I'm going to measure it. So that came out to 263 feet. Now I'm going to measure it again. And this time I'm going to go from the building. So the building starts right there, and it's on 0. Okay, the building is 249 feet long. Okay, I'm going to remeasure the length of the rails. The building itself was 249 feet. 260.5 feet is the length of the rails. I'll measure it one more time from this point backwards. All right, that time when I measured, I got 262.9 feet. And literally, the rails start right inside the door, as you can see by the yellow rail beginning right there. It's literally right at the crack of the door. All right, this time I'm going to roll the whole thing, and so you can actually see it rolling. We're at 0. Here we go. At the end of the building and show you what it is, and then I'm going to go on out to where the rails end. I'm coming up to the end of the building. Here's the end of the building. 249.2 rails end right here. 263.2. There it is. Joe. Nobody interfered with me. I did it on the back side. Anyway, it was the building's 250 feet long and the rails are 263 feet. I hope that gives you the information you were looking for, buddy. We'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.